I want you to understand something here this day.
Mo fẹ́ kó kàn yé ọ níbí lónìí.
Not everyone wearing the costume of this flesh that we wear.
Pé kì í ṣe gbogbo èèyàn tó gbé àwọ̀ ara ènìyàn wọ̀
It's like us.
ló dàbí rẹ̀.
There are some other strange people.
Àwọn ẹ̀dá àjèjì kan náà wà.
By the time we're going to start the program, Power Must Change Hands.
Nígbà tí wọ́n bá fi bẹ̀rẹ̀ agbára gbọ́dọ̀ pààrọ̀ ọwọ́.
Let me tell you part of the testimony that started the program, Power Must Change Hands.
Nígbà tá a fẹ́ bẹ̀rẹ̀ agbára gbọ́dọ̀ pààrọ̀ ọwọ́ ẹ jẹ́ kí n sọ lára àwọn ìjẹ́rìí tó
Part of the
bí.
testimony that started it.
Lára àwọn ìjẹ́rìí tó bí.
There's a small booklet called Power Must Change Hands.
Ìwé kékeré kan wà tá a ṣe tó ń jẹ́ agbára gbọ́dọ̀ pààrọ̀ ọwọ́.
You'll find this testimony inside.
Ẹ bá ìjẹ́rìí tí mo fẹ́ sọ yìí nínú rẹ̀.
This woman will get pregnant
Obìnrin kan á lóyún.
at 7 months.
Nígbà tó bá pé oṣù keje
She will have a dream.
yóò lálàá.
A mad cow
Màálù kan tó ń sínwín
will rush against her.
yóò wá sẹ́rí mọ́.
And the mad cow will puncture that womb.
Màálù ọ̀hún yóò wá fi ìwo kan ikùn rẹ̀.
By the time she wakes up,
Nígbà tó bá máa fi jí,
that child will die. The child will be miscarried.
ọmọ ọ̀hún yóò kú sínú rẹ̀. Oyún ọ̀hún á sì wálẹ̀.
They did number 1.
Ó ṣe é nígbà àkọ́kọ́.
They did number 2 to
Ó
her.
ṣe é nígbà kejì.
They did number 3 to
Ó
her.
ṣe é nígbà kẹta.
They did number 4.
Ó ṣe é nígbà kẹrin.
Was at the level of number 5.
Nígbà tó dórí ìkarùn
At one neighbor, the neighbor
ni alábàágbélé wọn
said,
ó ní
let's go for crusade.
já lọ sí ìsọjí.
We're having a crusade.
À ń ṣe ìsọjí kan.
Somewhere, follow us there.
Níbi kan tẹ̀lé wa ká lọ.
Okay, let's go for the crusade.
Já jọ lọ síbi ìsọjí.
And she followed the woman to the crusade.
Ó sì tẹ̀lé obìnrin ọ̀hún lọ bí ìsọjí.
Followed the woman to the crusade.
Ó tẹ̀lé obìnrin ọ̀hún wá síbi ìsọjí.
And there was a word of knowledge from that crusade
Ọ̀rọ̀ ìmọ̀ sì jáde lọ́jọ́ ìsọjí ọ̀hún.
that there is somebody here.
Pé ẹnìkan wà níbí.
You followed somebody here to do havoc.
Ó tẹ̀lé ẹnìkan wá bí láti ṣe níbi.
You have done it several times.
Ó ti ṣe lọ́pọ̀lọpọ̀ ìgbà.
Don't do it again.
Má ṣe é mọ́ o.
I don't know who you are, but don't do it
Mi ò
again.
mẹ́ni tó jẹ́ ṣùgbọ́n má ṣe é mọ́ o.
You followed somebody here. You brought somebody here.
Ó tẹ̀lé ẹnìkan wá bí o mú
But
ẹnìkan wá
don't do
bí.
it again.
Ṣùgbọ́n má ṣe é mọ́ o.
Well, the pregnant woman did not know that anything was wrong.
Obìnrin aláboyún ọ̀hún ò mọ̀ pé nǹkan kan tiẹ̀ ń ṣẹlẹ̀.
But the message preached that day
Ṣùgbọ́n ìwàásù ọjọ́ yẹn
said, behold,
ó ní
I lay in Zion
kíyèsí mo gbé kalẹ̀ ní Síónì.
a stumbling block,
Òkúta ìdìgbòlù.
a rock of offense.
Àpáta ìkọ̀sẹ̀.
Whosoever shall come against that stone
Ẹnikẹ́ni tó bá forí sọ
shall be smashed to pieces.
yóò fọ́ tútú.
And whosoever that stone will now decide
Ẹni tí òkúta ọ̀hún bá wá pinnu
to go and attack,
láti kọlù
he will grind the thing to powder.
yóò lọ̀ lúlú.
That was the scripture that day.
Ẹsẹ̀ ọ̀rọ̀ Ọlọ́run lọ́jọ́ náà nìyẹn.
So we prayed a prayer.
A bá gbàdúrà kan.
O rock of ages,
Àpáta ayérayé.
appear,
Fáráhùn
fight my battles
kó
for me.
sì gba ìjà mi jà.
They got home
Wọ́n délé
from the crusade.
lẹ́yìn ìsọjí.
Again, the dream,
Àlá ọ̀hún.
the mad cow
Màálù asínwín yìí
was coming again,
ó tún ń bọ̀.
rushing against this woman.
Ó ń dàgìrì bọ̀ lọ́dọ̀ obìnrin
But the
náà.
woman remembered the message.
Obìnrin ọ̀hún wá rántí
She
ìwàásù.
remembered the prayer.
Ó rántí àdúrà.
She called for the rock of ages.
Ó pe àpáta ayérayé.
As the cow was rushing,
Bí màálù ọ̀hún ti ń
and
dùbọ̀
she said,
lọ́dọ̀ rẹ̀.
"Oh, rock of
Ó
ages!"
ní àpáta ayérayé.
Before the cow could get to the pregnant woman,
Kí màálù ọ̀hún tó kàn án lára.
a big rock came in the center.
Àpáta ńlá kan là wọ́n láàrin.
And the cow that could not stop
Màálù ọ̀hún ò sì lè dúró mọ́.
smashed itself against the
Ó
stone
bá rọ́ọ̀lù àpáta náà.
and somersaulted.
Ó sì tàkìtì.
Next morning,
Lówùúrọ̀ ọjọ́ kejì.
they came and told the pregnant woman,
Wọ́n wá sọ fún aláboyún yìí.
"Sorry, oh,
Má bínú o.
the person who took you to crusade last night
Ẹni tó mú ọ lọ ìsọjí lánàá.
has died, oh,
Ó ti kú o.
and we don't know what broke her head, oh,
A ò sì mọ ohun tó fọ́ ọ lágbárí o.
she has died, oh."
Ó ti kú ṣá.
That was when the woman said,
Nígbà náà lóbìnrin ọ̀hún pé
"This is serious.
eléyìí le o.
This is what they told us at the meeting.
Ohun tí wọ́n sọ fún wa ní ìsọjí náà nìyẹn.
That power must change
Pé
hands."
agbára gbọ́dọ̀ pààrọ̀ ọwọ́.
I decree upon the life of somebody
Mo
here,
pàṣẹ sáyé ẹnìkan níyì.
that power will change hands
Pé agbára yóò pààrọ̀ ọwọ́.
from the hands of the wicked to the hands of the
Sọ́wọ́
righteous.
àwọn ìkà sọ́wọ́ àwọn
In the
olódodo.
name of
Ní
Jesus.
orúkọ Jésù.
In the name of
Ní orúkọ
Jesus.
Jésù.
Say, "Oh, rock of ages,
Àpáta ayérayé.
for me now.
ìjà mi jà
In the
báyìí.
name of
Ní orúkọ
Jesus.
Jésù.
Open your mouth and
Lẹ́nu rẹ̀
decree.
kò pa láṣẹ.